So the next range I'll talk about is from Sunstate Hemp. Again, they've got a massive range of different creams. They do hand and body lotions, massage oils. They also do tattoo creams, beard creams, all sorts really, a massive range that you can find them all on my website. So one of the creams that I really like that they do a really small tub of cream which has just got 100 milligrams in. Now this cream is ideal because it's only £12.99, so if you've not used a CBD cream before and you're just wanting to test it and to see if it works and to see if you enjoy using it, then you can get a small sample size just to give you a bit of a go of it really. This is called a muscle and joint cream. It is really effective. A lot of my customers do really like using it. Again, it does have a slight smell of cannabis, but it's not too strong. It's quite subtle really. They also do this tattoo cream as well, which is really good. So if you've just had a tattoo and you're needing to get some extra moisture and love and attention to that area, then these tattoo creams are really good. These are a 500 milligram, so it's quite high strength. And then they also do things like massage oils. Again, this is a really high strength, it's 1000 milligrams. And this is great just to sort of massage into any part of skin on your body.